Welcome to my second tutorial. Today I'm gonna cover profile chaining. So we got a lot to cover, and this is a more advanced tutorial. If you haven't seen my first one, I recommend you watch that one. So right now I'm gonna start with the the chaining. First I make my first profile, and I'm just gonna call it 1 for now. It's a go-to profile, and this is a private server, so I could enable faster movement. Okay, so this is our first spot, and then we save this one, and we make a new one, and we call this 2, and this is the grind level 1 to 5, and we save this one, and we mark these with F5. We move around. Make a decent profile whenever you're going to do it. Right now I'm just going to do it for tutorial purposes, so I'm not going to do that. Close the profile, click save, click new, and the third profile is go-to profile, start zone to Mulgore, click save, and move to the second zone here. I'm just going to speed up, and then when you get to the second zone, here for example, click save, type 4. I'm just going to put the game master on for now so I don't die. And this is the grind 5 to 10. Click save and start marking those that you want to kill. Move around in a circle again. You can make the circle bigger. I recommend you make it bigger for when you make your own profile. It has to be large enough. Where did we start? Started up here. Okay, now it's connected. And we go to the edge over here. So whenever there we go, we reach this is the fifth one. This is go-to profile, Mulgore to crossroads, click save, record waypoints, go over here, and then you go to crossroads. I'm gonna turn on this hack so it goes even faster. Go in here. I'm just gonna disable this again. Click save, and now we're ready to profile chain. I'm just gonna teleport back to Mulgore. Just a second. Go to where we started. Up here. Disable this again. Now we're gonna chain them. So the first one, add, repeat 1 times. The second one, repeat until level 5. And the third one, go-to profile, so we want to add that 1 time. Fourth, and that's a grinding profile until level 10. And the fifth one, this one, the go-to profile, so we add it one time. And we click auto, 1 to 10, Taron. So, and we click save, and now it's basically ready. Okay. And then you click refresh. Change profile. This is Luxus Frostmage profile, and you find your auto. Oh, 1 to 10. I'm not gonna use loop right now. And you click grind, and now it's activated. I'm just gonna turn GM off, and it starts. And now it's moving out there. I'm just gonna use a little more speed, so it goes faster. And now it's gonna start working and grinding until you hit level 5. And we're gonna hit level 5 now. And I'm just gonna kill these really quick with a macro. So that. So you found this area until you're level 5, for example. And then when it's done, it's gonna start moving to the next zone. Now it realized it's above level 5, so it's gonna move to the next zone. We're gonna speed things up a little bit. It's kind of messed up when it's recording at such high quality and at this speed. But basically it's just gonna go to the next profile where it's gonna start start grinding again until it hits level 10. And it's gonna hit level 10. So here it's just gonna move around in this area until it hits the next level. And that's basically it. That's how the profile chaining works. So what this one will do is it will keep moving in this area until you hit a certain level. Then it will move to the next area. Now it's going to realize it's the level it needs, and then it's going to start heading to the crossroads. Oh, it's a little messed up. That's what happens when you put too much speed on. But yeah, now it's going to move to the next area. And yeah, it's super laggy right now, but as you can see, it's moving. And it's just going all the way up to the crossroads, and then it's gonna stop. So that's profile chaining, fairly simple. It can fight on the way if it meets like a mob or something. And that's it. That's how you go, and then you can just go AFK, and when you get back you're level 10 and you are already located in the crossroads. So that's the advantage with profile chaining. It takes a little longer if you don't have a private server, obviously, which is why you either need a private server or you need to buy these profiles from me, custom made, or you can find free ones on the website if you're looking. Okay, that's it for now. It's just gonna move there and it's kind of slow, so I'm just gonna shut it down right now.